Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Ayu, Dian, Isti. Today we will practice how to download and use the Lightshot application. Happy watching everybody.
Lightshot is the best program for taking pictures or screenshots on a computer, PC and laptop quickly and practically. The screen capture application has many supporting features for editing and sharing captured images. Lightshot is also available for multiple platforms including Windows and Mac, as well as a browser add-on for Chrome, Firefox, Edge and Opera. You can do a lot with this application, and in this video, we will explore various features and provide a complete tutorial on how to screenshot using Lightshot. How to download and install Lightshot on computer. Before using Lightshot, you must install this application on your PC or laptop that you use. How to install Lightshot on PC or laptop? 1. Visit the official Lightshot website at the address app.prntscr.com. 2. Click the download button according to the operating system you are using, Windows or Mac. 3. Install the Lightshot application you just downloaded. Four, wait until the installation process is complete. If Lightshot is running, the Lightshot icon will appear on the toolbar. When active, Lightshot will take over the function of the print screen key on the keyboard. How to take and edit a screenshot using Lightshot. Here are easy steps to take screenshots using Lightshot on a PC or laptop. 1. Press the print screen button on the keyboard. 2. Select the area you want to screenshot. Drag the corners and size of the editor to adjust the area you want to capture. 3. Use the editor tools to add elements, arrows, lines, boxes, etc. and text. 4. Press the Save button to save the screenshot to the computer. After selecting the area to be screenshot, you can edit the image instantly. To edit an image in Lightshot, you simply click the desired tool and then place it where you want it. There are two types of toolbars in the Lightshot editor. 1. The right toolbars contains elements such as lines, arrows, color markers, text, and boxes. There is also a button to undo. 2. The bottom toolbar in the form of tools used when finished editing.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe,